Okay, so this is going to be a video of the air conditioners at my elementary school. There's literally no one here, so it's perfect. Here we have a Friedrich. I don't know why I zoomed in on it, but here we got a Friedrich. This school does have cameras, so I have to be careful. Then we got another Friedrich right there. Not gonna go close to him. Then there's a Frigidaire. Friedrich. It's an old 90s Friedrich. Pretty big unit. Look at that. One of my favorite air conditioners. Then just those three, just two Friedrichs from the Frigidaire. Then we go to the black top. I actually wanted to film the air conditioners at my elementary school for a while now. I'm actually doing it. I don't know what that was though. And there's another Friedrich. That wasn't at the just not at the elementary school, but people over here. Fuck it, I'm doing it anyways. Got 4 minutes left. Had a couple units over here. Got two Frigidaires. One of them was replaced by that one replaced a Friedrich unit, actually. It did. It's running. It's actually running. It's a computer lab. I don't know why they're running though. Frigidaire. Any newer units. We got some Emerson Quiet Cools over here. See what kind of compressor this one has. I don't know what kind of compressor that has. Definitely an Emerson Quiet Cool. This one might be running. No, it is not. I cannot read that compressor. Emerson Quiet Cool. I know the other side of this unit. I've seen the other side of this unit. Plus that one. That was my old classroom. But yeah. And then we got a Friedrich, another Friedrich over there. That was my old classroom. But this one's pretty rusted out.